It's the day after Thanksgiving. Everybody stuffed. Everybody pottied their food out. Everybody woke up this morning and read up on the leftovers. We started from scratch. No blueprint. No master plan. Just every day adding on. Subtracting what's not needed. Building. We here now. Conscious. We outside. It's nice outside right now. We got my boy Nino out here with us. You know what I'm saying? We got wifey working on the reef in the back of the Jeep and it's looking kind of good. Saying we out here. Yeah, it looks good. Handyman wifey in full effect. Nino on post, holding it down. You know what I'm saying? It's beautiful outside. The cars out here riding by. Everybody's out. And me, I'm just trying to enjoy myself right now. Excuse me. I don't really give 2 cents about a pilgrim or a Santa Claus or any of that nature or a bunch of presents or none of that. But I'm here to tell you right now, season's greetings. You know what this mean to me? This mean that I'm probably gonna have more time off work. I'm probably gonna have more time to chill with my family. And I'm probably gonna eat some food that I probably shouldn't be eating, but it's gonna taste so good that I could appreciate this time of the season. So season's greetings and happy holidays to everybody. You know what I'm saying? I hope you in good spirits. My dog is ready to roll. He tired of being on the leash. Man. He ready to get up off that leash. Want some freedom, because it ain't nothing like freedom. And I'm going to give it to him shortly. You already know what to do, man. It's your boy Lives from Conscious Bully Network. It's good to see you once again, and it's good to be seen. You know what I mean? Subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. If you already subscribed to the channel, thanks for stopping by again. Tell a friend that conscious is still a way of life, baby, and we love you. You done?
I think. For now. It's
For
pretty.
now, it is pretty. Looks good.
That's it for now. I want to find me a pink bow, but no rush.
Pink bow go right in the middle.
Uh-huh. Mark need to put one on his. I'll go do it for him.
Mm-hmm.
I need to get off this cord.
He's waiting for that instruction. Yeah, he ready for you to tell him when to go. He's ready for you to tell him to go.